Hey my super people, come let me show you how I do my brown stew fish. I'm adding some of my pimento seasoning, spin them over and just put it in like that. This is some Maggi all-purpose, and just sprinkle it up, some black pepper. Then I'm going to cover it and give it a good shake. This way the seasoning get in between everything. See that? Seasoning all over. No need to slice your fish and all that. Well, I don't do it. And now I'm putting some garlic in my oil to flavor the oil. Yep. Now adding my fish. Just a little bit of oil, not deep frying these. This is my final 6 of them, and now I'm on my final 3 fish. Now I'm going to cut up these veggies and seasoning. You know I'm doing brown stew, it have little goodies in it. Guys, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now my beautiful veggies are done. Look at my fish, they're all fried up. It's just now time to put these together in the pot. Remove the burnt garlic. Look on the fish now. It look like when the oil touch him just scream out. Talk it truth. Poor thing. Me gonna eat him though. Now I will be adding my veggies to the same oil that I fried the fish in. Rinse out the bowl that you season up the fish in and throw it in the pot there. And I'm going to pre-season this before I put the fish in it. I'm just adding a little bit more Maggi, some fish and meat sauce, some ketchup. Mix that up. Then I am adding a little tubes of browning. I like when my brown stew fish have a little color. A little salt to taste. Now I'm adding the fish. Put the pepper on top so it not cook out in the gravy and everything too pepper. Cover that and just let it simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look how rich that is. Taste, you know, and smell it. Brown stew fish for me. Thank you.